Listen to your heart. What is it saying right now? It's saying cheesy garlic bread. So you have to make this now. I can see you drooling. I'm going to show you how to make this. You're going to cut a baguette lengthwise. The baguette should be fresh and soft. The best way to do this is to use a serrated knife and a sawing motion to slice the bread in half. Open it up and slice it in half again. This is going to make handling the bread so much easier. Place the bread on parchment paper or on foiled lined baking sheet. Now let's get on with the garlic butter. For the garlic butter, you're going to need a 1/4 cup of softened butter, not melted, just softened. Softened butter will make spreading the garlic butter on so much easier. Add black pepper and salt to taste. You can adjust the salt and pepper towards the end. Do remember that cheese also contains some salt, so it's better to have less salt in the garlic butter. You will need 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and 3 cloves of minced garlic. Adjust the garlic according to your taste. If you are a garlic lover and sworn enemies of vampires, then always add more garlic. Give this a good mix through. And if you are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please show your love by giving this video a big thumbs up, leaving a comment down below and subscribing to the channel. Now let's get on with the rest of the recipe. You're going to spread the garlic butter over the bread. I usually serve my garlic bread with lasagna, most pasta dishes, soup, or even on its own, because who doesn't like a slice of warm, crunchy, and crusty garlic bread? Am I right? Spread your garlic butter all over that bread. Make sure you're very, very generous with the butter. Top your garlic bread with 1 cup of shredded cheese and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for around 12 to 14 minutes until the cheese melts, goes bubbly, and is golden brown. Top with chopped parsley, slice and serve immediately. Be prepared to burn your mouth off because the aroma is going to draw you in and you're just going to want to inhale this. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you like this recipe. It's super simple, super easy, and you get amazing garlic bread at the end of it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!